Why your car struggles to start in cold weather. If your car sounds slow or weak when you start it in the cold, tell me in the comments what it does. Does it crank slow or not start at all? Let me show you why this happens and what your car is trying to tell you. First, the battery. Cold weather steals power from your battery instantly. At freezing temperatures, a battery loses almost half of its strength. If your engine turns over slowly, that is your battery saying it is too weak. If your battery is older than 4 years, drop your age in the comments and I will tell you if it is safe or not. Second, the oil thickens. When the temperature drops, the oil inside your engine becomes thicker and moves slower. The engine has to work much harder to spin. If you hear a slow dragging sound when you crank the key, your oil may be too thick for winter. Comment your oil type and I will tell you if it is right for cold weather. Next is fuel system condensation. Cold air creates moisture inside the fuel tank. That moisture can freeze and block fuel flow for a moment. If your car stumbles for 1 or 2 seconds before it starts, that is why. Keeping the tank above half helps prevent this. Let me know if you usually keep your tank full or almost empty. Another reason is worn spark plugs. Cold weather makes weak plugs even weaker. If your car shakes on startup or smells like fuel, your spark plugs may be struggling. If you want, comment your mileage and I can tell you if you should replace them. And finally, the starter motor. In extreme cold, the starter works harder and draws more power. If it clicks but does not turn the engine, the starter may be failing. If that happened to you this week, type starter in the comments. Winter exposes everything your car has been hiding all year. If your car struggles to start, drop the symptoms below, and I will break down exactly what part is failing.